I want to encourage all of us, I want to encourage all Kenyans to register for SHA. The teething problems will be there. There is nothing new that will not have teething problems. We don't want SHA to be a preserve for private facilities, like we used to accuse NHIF of, that the private facilities were taking out more than the public facilities. And this is our opportunity as managers of public health facilities to actually register in big numbers and to ensure that this scheme is working in our facilities.
Social Health Authority is going to replace, has already replaced NHIF, and we are not going back, because with the 3 funds that are in there, we are going to cater for all levels of the facilities.